YouTube, what is up? It's your boy Breezy Kicks. Now before we get into the video, I'm doing another giveaway on this channel. More hype beast items. We got some Supreme toothpaste. I know you guys don't brush your teeth, so you definitely need this. Now, all you have to do to enter in the giveaway is subscribe to the channel, follow both my Instagrams, breezy_kicks23 and The Soul Luxury. Then comment the word hype as well as your IG user tag in the comment section of this video. That's all you have to do. Follow those easy rules and I will enter you in the giveaway. Good luck. Nike Dunk Low is on an unbeatable run. The low top sneaker has been at the top of the charts all year long thanks to the releases such as the Brazil and the St. John colorways. Nike is going back in time as the brand looks to complete the entire Nike Dunk Low Ugly Duckling pack that released in 2001. As rumors have surfaced, we are finally getting a closer look at the Nike Dunk Low Veneer. The shoe features a suede upper with a combination of green, purple, and veneer hue. The purple outsole and laces appear once more as the Veneer iteration looks to complete the return of the set. The Nike Dunk Low Veneer will be dropping November 11th at select Nike retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100. Nike Dunk Low in the Veneer colorway. Now, not only is the colorway on point, the materials on here also go off. Look at this nice suede upper. Some of the best quality I've seen on a sneaker. Up close look right here. Very nice materials. You got green outerlays, brown underlays, purple accents on the Nike swoosh, and you also got purple on the laces. You got a brown tongue running up the top of the tongue. You guys can see this green tag with the purple Nike logo. You have more of a lime green lining and insole with a purple Nike logo on the insole. Midsole is white, solid purple outsole. Now that we've gone over the details of this colorway, let's get into resale. So, like I said, the shoe is retailing at $100 US. Now on StockX, the shoe's going for around $300. Now, I can see that price dropping after release date, but not by much. I can see the shoe maybe going down to $225 after release date. And with time, I see it going right back up, hitting that 300 mark, maybe going up 50 bucks. So I see the shoe sitting around 300. That's give or take 50 bucks. Yeah, I definitely think this is one of the better Dunk Lows in my opinion. The quality's on point. It's got that nice loud colorway. It's got this mossy swamp-like feel. It also reminds me of Scooby-Doo. Like, tell me this isn't the perfect Scooby-Doo colorway. Anyway, like I said, I see this shoe reselling at $300. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Places holding raffles, where this shoe is going to be dropping. Links are in the description, so check that out. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.